And I was like, you know, the moment that I stopped wanting to lose weight is when I lost it. And I like now whatever I eat, I cannot gain it anymore, which is actually opposite issue.
That's great.
Yeah. But I told her like, because I was in the same mindset of like putting all my energy, I couldn't even create anything, right? So I couldn't create business or anything because all my energy was going towards food. I wake up, I think about food. I go to bed, I think about food. Because you know why I even feel like I got the eating disorder? Because when you have a whole childhood where you never felt in control, that eating disorder made me feel in control of something. I can control what I eat or what I don't eat. And somehow I felt proud of myself, right?